If you'd like to create some autoresponders for this mailing list, you'll come back to the mailing list page and click on the Autoresponders button. If you've already watched the campaign section of this webinar, this page will look very familiar. Creating an autoresponder is just like creating a campaign, except you have the additional setting of a trigger. The trigger tells GreenArrow when you would like to send this autoresponder content. You can trigger based off of the subscription, based off of a campaign or autoresponder open, or you could trigger it using the API. Next, you have to set whether you'd like this to run on an import. You may remember during the import section that there was an option there to run the autoresponders on import. Both of these must be set to true in order for it to run on import. You can also have it run from the API. Again, it needs to be set to yes in both places for it to actually run. Next, we need to choose the delay. You can select it to run immediately after the subscription, or you can set it to delay for a period of time, maybe a few minutes, hours, days, weeks, or months. Next, you'll create the content. The custom field replacement codes work exactly the same way here as they do in the campaigns, as do the segmentation criteria. The one difference is that the segmentation criteria is evaluated at the time the autoresponder is sent, not when the autoresponder is queued. This is important because some of the segmentation criteria could change between the time when they sign up and the time when this autoresponder goes out. This isn't such an issue when the autoresponder triggers immediately, but it could be an issue for an autoresponder that is set to go out 3 weeks from now. If they unsubscribe between now and then, we would not want them to receive this autoresponder in 3 weeks. So any of the criteria you have set here will be evaluated at the time that the autoresponder is set to send. The delivery settings are inherited from the mailing list, but you can customize those for this autoresponder if you'd like. When you create a new autoresponder, it's going to begin as paused. Because autoresponders are automatic emails, we don't want them to accidentally start sending. So make sure once you have the autoresponder fully set up and ready to go, you activate it. Now, any new subscriptions will receive this email automatically. The autoresponder statistics can be found in the same place as the campaign statistics. What you'll see there is very similar to what we looked at before. The one big difference is that you can choose the slice of time that you'd like to review in these statistics. As you can see, when we look at these statistics, all of the same data that we had on the campaign is available here in the autoresponders as well. You can choose a preset date range, or you can add your own custom date range that you'd like to review.